All right, boys and girls, I can't pull my boat up here like I'm trying to. Keep hitting the daggone edge. There we go. Come on, baby. Nope. There we go. I'm gonna dock her off. I put new plugs in this girl earlier and put some fuel treatment in her. Hopefully that will be enough, I hope. I used to move that sucker a pretty good little ways. We got him. Hey, bud. Old Dar Channy. I didn't bring no net with me. First fish in the boat. That's for you, Justin. I reeled down, buddy. But yeah, that's not a bad fish. He's solid. It's still early in the year too, so the water is still really cold. So pretty girthy, old fella. Stop. But I'll make it easier for me and you both. Open your mouth. There you go. It's probably 7 or 8 pound channel cat. It's a cold cat. He's not a bad one at all. He's a solid little guy. Thank you, bud. I appreciate you coming to play. Getting back in the water there. The water's about 50 degrees now, so it is warming up. So we're going to try to make us about 8 pieces of bait out of this little sucker here. I bought 10 poles, but we can't fish to it right yet. Not really sure what you guys can see. We're probably about 6 or 8. See here, we got 6. I'm using very small bait. It's cold right now. I'm sitting in 8 foot of water. It's 47 degrees. Woo! Oh, it come off! It popped off! No! How long are we looking at, boys? Let's put some poles out here. That's what fired the Hellcat up. There we go. Make sure you all can see what's going on here. Woo! I see him rolling there. Here's another solid fish too. Solid fish. We have blues here. There we go, baby. My chestnut died, and I was getting ready to switch after we got set up here. But we haven't got all set up yet, obviously. Instead, I just do this one out. It's a cold kitty. He won't go nowhere. Dang. There we go. Oh. Good old kitty cat. Let you guys have a little look at him here. On camera, I was getting ready to put my GoPro 9 on my chest mount after everything casted, but this old boy had other plans. There he goes back. Thank you, bud. Sail cat right here. Looks like another pretty solid fish. I can't believe where it's like this. I had 2 bites right there in just a couple minutes. Which it was just up the river. I've seen several bites on the river. Like I said, I'm starting to cast my poles out. So you got brown. This little sucker been eating great. Hey, hey, hey. No need for violence. That's a little piece of the sucker. Been tearing it up. Huh. Check it out, guys. I caught a dagfish. It's pretty cool. That was cool. See the tag in it, guys? See you, buddy. I'm back. We're hooked up. Woo! Just don't get all my other lines, bud. He wanted it. He hit pretty hard. Oh, we're digging now. I don't feel like a bad little fish. Trying to get past this structure. There he is. Circle hook done his job. Right in the corner of his mouth. Let's get a look at you, bud. If I can get a hold of it. You cold little guy. Well, man, he's barely hooked. That hook come right out. Oh, he gets so sideways all of a sudden, I wonder. The wind's blowing me all over the place. Oh, come here. He's a chunky little guy. Healthy. Still there? Pretty sure he's still there. Yeah, he's still there. He buried it. I want to say that rod right there is getting hit too. It's a pretty good fish. This one wanted it. That's that one I sunk way down the river. There we go. There we go. He's over there rolling. Come here, let me get a little look at you, bud. Dang, it's actually a really big one for here. I'm gonna buy my Hellcat rod too. Go ahead, take it, take it. Pulled out his mouth, I think. That's crazy. Shoot far. Let's get this old bad boy in here. He won't, but he's up pretty good. There's some nice channels in this river though. Boat flipping. Bill dance. Whoa. Dude, that's not a bad channel at all. It's not a bad channel at all. I'll take these all day long, son. It's not a bad channel at all, guys. Hopefully you guys can see him. That's probably about 8 or 9 pounds. Wood channel cat in the boat up here. I'm pretty sure we had 3 bites right there in a row. Well guys, our trip's come to an end. I caught 4 today. Caught that one tagfish, that was awesome. Hope I got some decent footage. My stupid self left my GoPro batteries at the house, so I didn't get to record like I want to this year. So just bear with me. I appreciate you guys for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't, and I'll get back to you next week.